Okay, so I hope that you loved that last video training about the power of just going to the YouTube search bar to come up with video ideas. But now we're going to get into some advanced tips around doing that. So a couple reminders about this research phase. The YouTube predictions are the exact phrases. Remember, we learned about keywords and key phrases that people are searching for in order of search volume. So if there is, 5 ideas or 10 ideas there, the one at the top of the list is the most popular and getting the most traffic, and the one at the bottom of the list is getting the least traffic. But if it shows up there, if it is an actual prediction, it means it's a great video idea. And I a lot of times like the ones lower on the list because that just means probably less competition. People are still interested, but it means the idea is not quite as popular, so there might be more opportunity to rank, especially if you're just starting out. Now, the title of your video will include that exact key phrase. So that's key to know. Like, those predictions are basically part of the foundation of the exact title for your video. This is how to come up with winning video ideas before you even record a video. And that's why you do not want to cut corners on this stage. You want to be thorough here because it's the foundation of success overall for crushing it on YouTube. But there are a few cool kind of tweaks and advanced tips for using the search bar. I'll show you right now. So let's use cooking and meal prep, for example. And we just talked about this in the last video about typing in your search term to YouTube search, like meal prep. And then when you put another space there, you're going to get all of these other predictions, right? And so you've got meal prep for weight loss, which is radically different than meal prep for beginners, or especially different than meal prep for weight loss for women. Very specific. And that's where when I mentioned this one might be harder to rank for, there's probably a lot of people doing it, but there might not be anybody doing this exact title, meal prep for weight loss for women. Thus, some of these lower ideas might be where the real opportunity is to rank. I would much rather rank every time for smaller video ideas than compete for more challenging video ideas and not rank at all. And so once your subscribers and once you post on social media, the video gets 10 views or 50 views or 500. But if you rank, even at not a ton of search volume, you still can have your videos grow all day, every month, every year when you lock in top ranking spots for them. So that was the basic. That's what we learned in the last video. The second tip here is you can add an underscore before the search term. Now, a note is that this doesn't usually work as well or at all on mobile, but on desktop, this is what you'll see. So if you go meal prep, but you go underscore space, what it's going to do is it's going to tell you the predictions of that topic, that keyword, that key phrase in a sentence. So now it says, well, vegan meal prep is something people are looking for. Vegetarian meal prep is something people are looking for, or paleo, or just clean eating meal prep for the week. And so an underscore before your topic, your niche, a video idea is going to give you even more specific search terms, specific keywords that you can target. You can also add an underscore after the search term. So you can go meal prep space underscore, and then it's going to finish the sentence with filling in meal prep for weight loss or meal prepping. So you kind of gave a creative idea for beginners. Now, maybe nobody has used that exact phrase, and so that is a huge opportunity. One of the things to also note here, and we're going to build these ideas out as you go through VRA, is that where these are related terms, meaning let's say you are doing a video called meal prep for beginners, you also want to use these exact predictions for your tags. So maybe your video is called meal prep for beginners - 5 tips of how to do meal prep or something. But then tags you could include could be things like meal prepping for beginners. And you can start ranking for not meal prep for bodybuilding, because bodybuilding and beginners is not the same thing. But any of the predictions here that are all related, they're all in alignment with, they're all relevant to the same topic of your video, those also will become your tags. So an example is when we do best USB microphone for YouTube under $200, kind of a janky way of, okay, not exactly what
so what is
I titled it, but it worked. So when you could see this, you might say best USB mic under $200 is one tag, best USB mic under 200 is another tag. And the way I'm getting these longer tail tags, and I don't mean to jump ahead here, but I want you to be thinking about this even in the research phase, is you're also coming up with these titles for your videos, but these same terms, when they all are aligned with what the content of the video is, will also be used in your title, your description, and your tags. But right now, for this video, what we're focusing on, again, is just coming up with video ideas using the YouTube search bar and using some advanced techniques to pull out even more ideas. And I want to really highlight this. Other people in your niche, your competitors, are not doing this. So when you can find these golden opportunity video ideas, they can be very, very valuable for you and give you a cutting edge. So here's number 4 of the advanced techniques. You can add a letter before the underscore. So now meal prep space underscore in reverse, and you go A. What it's going to do is it's going to put predictions. It's going to put meal prep in the middle of a sentence or in the middle of a key phrase, and it is going to give you predictions that start with the letter A. So affordable meal prep, which is a great, great video idea. Humans are searching for that. YouTube is serving it up as a video idea saying, hey, people want this. Because again, think about what YouTube's doing. YouTube is saying a lot of other people have started typing here looking for affordable meal prep. Maybe that's what you're looking for as well. But what we're doing is we're hacking the system to come up with video ideas to actually create the perfect video that serves the intent that the audience, potential audience, is searching for. So it also could be AvoCare meal prep. And then you could also put that same letter after the underscore, meal prep Asian, or meal prep asparagus, or meal prep on a budget. And that'll give you even more video ideas. And then you can go through the whole alphabet. So you could delete the A and do B, and it's going to give you even more video ideas. So man, I hope you're feeling this, right? I hope that you're like, geez, okay, the world, like there's so much opportunity here. If I just keep digging, I want to encourage you to be patient, to be thorough in this stage. This stage is so important. It's foundational for all the rest of VRA to work right. Is you want to make sure that you go through, come up with these good video ideas, and use some of these advanced techniques in YouTube search bar to do just that. All right, in the next video, we're going to talk about how to use Google Keyword Planner to actually find even more video ideas, as if you didn't already have enough. And I know your head might be spinning, but we're going to go even deeper. Plus, what we're going to use Google Keyword Planner for is figuring out maybe how much search traffic these get and a few other nuances about the keywords, the key phrases, the video ideas themselves. And so I will see you in the next video.